This is off the show cause docket. We are on the record, case number SP 112-86541 and 2, and case number 162762811, People State of Michigan versus Devon Lee Edward Simon Page. This is off the show cause docket. Mr. Page has checked in. What we're going to do is set this matter for a pretrial. Stand by for the dates. Pretrial date will be as follows. Mr. Page, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, please make note of the date, November 18, 2022 at 8:35 a.m. Zoom courtroom 437. In addition to that, sir, before we let you go for the day, I want you to pay attention a little while longer and make note of the information that we're going to present to you in just a moment. I'm going to share a screen with you. It's going to have some information on here that you're going to find useful. I want you to grab a screenshot or make note of it. Please do so at this time. We're going to direct your attention toward the bottom three items toward the bottom of the screen, starting with the section highlighted in green. Do you see that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
It's at 36districtcourt.org. That is the court's website. You can use that for a number of things, including as a research tool. Mr. Page, please stop moving. You need to stand still. Be still. You can use it for a number of things, including research, to look up any items that need your attention out of 36th District Court. In addition to that, you can also use that to sign up to receive text reminders directly to your mobile device. Do you understand, Mr. Page?
Yes, Judge.
So you do not move in, so you do not lose track of any cases going forward. So please make note of the court's website. Please grab a screenshot so that you have all this information available to you ahead of time. And please sign up and avail yourself of that resource so that you receive text reminders directly to your mobile device leading up to the next court date, okay? So otherwise, we'll see you on November 18, 2022 at 8:35 a.m. Zoom courtroom 437. And if it is the case that any portion of your ticket involved paperwork, then you can also send those documents ahead of time to the email address up top in blue. Do you see that on your screen, sir? Up top in blue, at CTRM437 at 36districtcourt.org. Yes?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, very good. Now, Mr. Page, here's the thing, sir. We appreciate that you're working. Court never wants to keep people from doing that. But here's the thing. You also have business that's just as important here at court. So when you do come to court, you need to be prepared to spend time to get your business handled. Do you understand? However long that takes.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so now you can make a plan between now and November 18 to make sure that you are available, at least for part of the morning, to handle your business here. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good luck, sir. Be safe. We'll see you on November 18, 8:35 a.m. The same information that you used today to dial in is what you'll use for the next court date to dial in, okay?
Thanks, Judge.
Very good. Good luck. Be safe, sir.
All right, you too.
Okay. Next, we have a gentleman on an iPhone. Please unmute your device, sir. Gentleman on the iPhone. Could you give us your first and last name, please? Unmute your device. Unmute your device, sir. Unmute your device.
How you doing, ma'am?
Doing well, sir. Your name, sir?
Manquil Turner.
Okay, Sherman. Did you dial in earlier today, sir? This morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you're back. What happened?
When I called the lady, she gave me this number and told me to dial in the number and put in the code so I can be on video screen.
Okay. The likelihood is high. It looks like you're supposed to be in 220 today. Mr. Sanford, can we verify or just that Mr. Turner, or see if he has anything else scheduled for today with us?
Supposed to be in courtroom 220.
Okay, Mr. Turner, it looks like you're supposed to be in courtroom 220.
I'm supposed to be there in person or on this phone?
So you're supposed to be by Zoom in courtroom 220. You're not scheduled in here with us. Even though your last name starts with the letter T, our courtroom does handle the letter T. Mr. Sanford, our clerk, is looking in the system right now and is indicating that you are scheduled for 220 today, not our courtroom, sir.
When I got on the Zoom, it said join meeting. She gave me a code 220, and that's what I put in here.
Sir, this is not 220. This is 437, sir.
I understand that. When it say join, that's what I put in. I put in 220. And
Well,
they sent me to this courtroom.
sir, be advised, I can confirm that this is not courtroom 220.
Oh, I understand what you're saying. I'm saying I don't know how to get to room 220. I just put
Okay,
in.
sir. Okay, here's the thing. For whatever reason, sir, you are selecting the incorrect courtroom. You need to specifically select 220.
I'm gonna give them the Zoom ID number, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, you might want to grab something to write with because you're going to need to write this down and you might have to physically dial in the Zoom number. Stand by.
Okay, 1 second. They gave me this number here, 929-436-2866. And then she gave me a code 360-437-0000.
Sir, that is probably, sir, that's because they're assuming that because your last name starts with the letter T, you're supposed to be in this courtroom. The
Okay,
person probably did not research to find out specifically where. You're supposed to be probably in a civil infraction courtroom handling that case. So stand by and please make note of the following telephone number.
Okay.
Officer Patterson, when you're ready.
It's 360
360
360
360
Yes, you put it in.
0220.
0220. So I got 360-360-0220.
That is correct.
Okay.
And that will get you into courtroom 220 by Zoom.
So I got
So
to
you
call
don't-
that number again?
Okay, the numbers beforehand, that was because you were dialing in via regular telephone. Now that you're on Zoom, you're using Zoom and we can see one another, you're going to dial in 360-360-0220. You don't need that other series of numbers. Do you understand?
Yes, I just want to know where I'm not.
It's okay.
put that-
Sir, just-
You put that number where it says meeting ID on the Zoom.
Okay.
You just muted yourself, sir.
This session? They muted me.
Okay.
Do I leave this session and then go
Yes,
back to the?
sir. Yes, sir. You're going to leave this session. You're going to dial in and use that 360-360-0220 where it says meeting ID. So we're going to log
Okay.
you off with us and you're going to join courtroom 220, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Hi, Mr. Morgan. Stand by, Mr. Attorney Canfor. I'm going to call our APA very shortly.
Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how long do you wait for the officer to appear?
Depends on what time the check-in time was supposed to be. It's set for a trial today, sir.
It's set for a formal hearing at 8:30.
Okay, let's take a look. Mr. Sanford, if you have your eyes on the hard copy from Michael Tolles, do we know who our officer is?
1 second.
Okay, stand by, counsel. Hi, Mr.
Okay.
Morgan. I've given you privileges. Ms. Davis isn't with us today, so I'm just kind of staying more on top of what we're doing today.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Officer's name is Denny Montgomery.
Montgomery, thank you, sir. Okay, counsel, it won't be too much longer, probably about 9:15 we'll call it, okay? So just remind me, just keep your device on mute, and when we get closer to 9:15, just give me the heads up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir, appreciate you. Okay. Attorney Maurice Davis on Thompson, correct?
Just turn your camera on.
Okay, Mr. Morgan, we have a couple people here for you. Attorney Davis is here from Charles Thompson.
I'm sorry, I missed what you said, Judge.
No, I was speaking to Mr. Morgan, our city attorney.
Oh, okay.
Okay, someone is here on Charles Thompson.
Yes.
Which I'm looking for that person now.
It's me, Steve.
Okay. All right. You want to go to a breakout room or what?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Officer Robinson, good morning, sir. Which case you checking in with?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Charles Thompson.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, Mr. Morgan, your officer's here on the Thompson case, so I'm going to put him into room 7 and you guys can have a conversation. Stand by. Officer
Okay,
Robinson, I'm gonna get you renamed.
Also,
okay.
Your Honor, I'm going to sign out. I have another courtroom to check in with. That's okay with you?
Okay, that's fine, sir. Thank you. Just join us back again, so
Well,
that,
I'll speak with Mr. Morgan first.
okay,
Okay.
great.
I'll go to
Okay.
7 with you. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
Attorney Davis, stand by. Mr. Morgan's going to catch Officer Robinson before he has to step away and then he'll do a breakup.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, Attorney Haisha. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, which case you checking in with, sir?
I have, who do I have? Ernest Trammell.
Okay, actually, we put him into a breakout where we didn't know that he was, we'll have him join you in the main
Great,
session.
thank
We didn't know. I'm just gonna rename, I'm just gonna update your screen here for Trammell, and we'll bring Mr. Trammell out into the main session. He was in room 3. We didn't know that he had an attorney, so we'll bring him out and have him
No
join you.
worries.